Step one in creating a air mattress suspension system for all your helicopters. Step one, mount all your helicopters. Step two, blow up your air mattresses. Step three is lower your lower bed, so there's enough space to get the air mattress in there. Step 4 or 5, something around there. Make sure your air mattresses don't stick out past the back of your toy hauler. It's like that. Now we're going to raise it up until it just lifts up. In actuality, I could raise this thing all the way up because these are the lifts for this point right here. So I could have lifted it up far enough to pin all 4 of them off. Then, because when it lifts up, it didn't lift up evenly, it kind of went like this. I put some extra foam to kind of raise up the front, and now it's going the other way. Okay, now we can raise it up. Just like that. And now, it's all suspended on the air mattresses and the foam. No hard bouncing shit. Yeah. Blades looking track, that's good. Yeah, but can he control it? But don't be doing too much. You got the table right there.
It's enough, it flies.
It's enough, it flies. I don't care. Pack the shit, let's fucking go.